There are 5 things you can do to make sure your shop culture is awesome. First, culture of accountability, a blameless culture. You have no ranks, nothing is unspeakable. Anything that happens, you can talk about it, but there's no punitive action for what someone says. If you make a mistake, you own it, you learn from it, you don't do it again, and you move on. If you keep doing it, then things start moving in a different direction. But any mistake is teachable. Every mistake is okay. It's going to happen. Never make your techs pay for it either. You're a shop owner. You're the one who is absorbing this risk. You're taking on the risk, and you're accountable for that. Never make your techs pay for their mistakes financially. That doesn't work. Care about your team. Care about the team. Take care of the team properly, and they will take care of the people coming through the door. That is probably the biggest thing, is taking care of the people that are taking care of your clients. They will do the right thing. Set standards. Don't set goals. Goals can be pretty abstract. Set measurable, actionable standards, and then hold people to them. It sets a high standard. It sets a high standard of work. Everyone knows what's expected of them, and that's what it's all about, right? To do all of these things, you have to hire correctly. You have to have people with an aligned vision. You have to have people with aligned motivations. You have to have people that are growth oriented. They've got to be focused on growing and evolving past what they are. At the end of the day, the biggest thing, have fun. Make it fun to be at work. Buy breakfast. Take the guys out to lunch. Go do after work stuff that's fun. Bring the families along. Make it fun. Make it engaging. That is probably the biggest single thing you can do to keep everybody involved, everybody having fun, and everybody feeling like they can approach you with anything and not have to worry about getting punished for saying something that's unpopular. See you around.